Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're looking at a serious new bug in Windows 11 Update KB5067036 that's causing Task Manager to duplicate itself every time you close it. This bug can slowly eat up your RAM and hurt your PC's performance. Let's break down what's happening, how to check if you're affected, and what you can do to fix it. The update KB5067036, build 26200.7019 or 26100.7019, was released on October 28, 2025 as an optional preview update. It introduced a redesigned start menu, colorful battery icons, a recommended feed in File Explorer, and improvements to update and shut down. Everything looked great, until users started reporting a weird Task Manager issue. Here's what happens. When you open Task Manager and close it using the X button, it doesn't actually close. Instead, it keeps running in the background. Each time you open and close Task Manager again, another new instance is created, a ghost process. In our tests, 30 out of 100 virtual machines experienced this problem. If you open Task Manager several times a day, this can slowly drain your system memory. To verify if you're affected, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the X to close it. Open it again and go to the Processes tab. If you see multiple Task Manager processes, and the count goes up each time you open and close it, congratulations, you've got the bug. Each Task Manager instance uses around 20 to 25 megabytes of RAM. If you open it 100 times, that's 2 gigabytes of wasted memory sitting idle. Not great news for low-end PCs. So yes, this little bug can seriously hurt your PC's performance. Until Microsoft releases a fix, don't close Task Manager using the X button. Instead, do this: inside Task Manager, right-click Task Manager and select End Task to close it properly. Or open Command Prompt and type this command, taskkill/imtaskmanager.exe/f. That will end all Task Manager processes instantly. October 2025 has been a disaster month for Windows 11 updates. First, Patch Tuesday broke localhost connections, then Windows Recovery Environment stopped working, no keyboard, no mouse. Microsoft had to rush out emergency fixes. And now, this Task Manager duplication bug just made things worse. It seems like Windows 11 is stuck in a loop. Every new update fixes one issue and creates another. It's becoming a never-ending cycle for Microsoft. So, what about you? Have you noticed this Task Manager bug or any other weird behavior after the KB5067036 update? Drop your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows news and fixes.